Hunger exists in every city and town in eastern Massachusetts. It's not a problem facing just those in poverty. It is also a challenge faced by working and middle-class neighbors, many of whom never dreamed they would need a food pantry or community meal program to feed themselves and their families. 1 in 5 that the Greater Boston Food Bank serves is a senior 60 years old or older. A majority of the households served by the Greater Boston Food Bank use a food pantry regularly.
I've run into quite a few people who've had financial problems because their retirement doesn't match what their expenses are. And it's not that they didn't try to save or that they don't use their money as frugally as possible. It's overwhelming at times. You don't have any resource to fall back on.
Well, I have to pay my electric. I spend a lot on medicines. And then I have to get the ride because I'm disabled and I have to spend money on that.
I also have food stamps. And I usually get it around the 14th of the month. And so that helps because I'm able to get bread, eggs, milk, just the bare essentials, because I get my Social Security the 28th of the month.
Live on Social Security, which I hadn't planned on, but that's the way it ended up. And I can make ends meet, but it's difficult some months. The alternative is go without.
Every day, we work tirelessly to acquire and distribute healthy food across eastern Massachusetts through our member agencies. We are also able to reach our neighbors in need through direct distribution programs like our Brown Bag program for seniors and free mobile markets at community health centers. Every month, the Greater Boston Food Bank travels to both senior and healthcare centers across eastern Massachusetts, allowing people to bring home 25 to 30 pounds of fresh, healthy food.
So we have a combination of families. We are getting a lot of seniors that are coming. The population is very diverse.
There's at least 7 or 8 vets that come in very regularly, living on disability and can't make ends meet, so they're very grateful for their bags.
If it wasn't for the brown bag, they'd turn around and I wouldn't have any food in the house.
Because sometimes money gets a little tight and you want to budget it, and this really does help quite a bit. It really does.
They don't make you feel deprived. They make you feel like you're part of an organization that wants to help you. When you leave here, you feel good.